Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to take ExamView test banks and get them ported over into your Canvas environment. If you're a user of ExamView Test Generator, I'm going to open that up, and a couple different ways you can do that from the desktop. If you've got it right here, as I do, I'm going to go ahead and open that. And I don't need to register. So the first thing you want to do is open up a question bank, not a test, but a question bank. And here I'm going to use this particular series as an example. And we're going to go into, you have to do one bank at a time, which is not a super big deal unless you have a lot to do. But we're going to go into American history. And I've already done this previously as an example to test this out. So I'm going to do lesson 31, Early Explorers and Settlers. I'm going to open that. From here, it's pretty simple. We're going to go to File, Export, and I'm going to choose the Blackboard 7.1 through 9.0 option. You need to save it to a specific location, and in this particular case, I'm going to save it to my Documents folder. And I do have an ExamView bank. I can save it in here. And you can call this whatever you want. American history, lesson 31. We'll call this settlers. And hit save. Once again, I'm just going to type in L31. Formatting, you can just do HTML. I think you just do plain HTML if you wish. I don't think it really matters in this particular case. And the directory name, save a name that's unique to this question pool. We'll just call this L31 as well. Gonna hit OK, and it creates a zip file for me. The next step is to go into my dashboard in Canvas. And once you're logged in, I'm gonna choose my practice stuff course here. Right away, I'm going to go over to the right-hand side and click on Import Existing Content. And here you can see that I've done this a couple times already. And I want to select the specific content type of this Blackboard 6/789 Ultra. Choose the file that we just exported. And here I have my American History, Lesson 31 Settlers. Now it asks me to choose the question bank in which it's going to go in Canvas. I'm going to choose a new question bank for that. And we'll call this L31. All content. And select import. It's queued up. It takes a couple seconds to go through and then it's done. What does it look like on the back end of things to do a quiz? I'm going to click on quizzes, and I'm going to select a quiz, or I'm going to create a new quiz. Let's go to, I'm actually going to go to classic quizzes. And under questions, I can find questions, and here is my L31 that I created. I can select all. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. And if you have different question groups, that's fine. I'm not going to choose any for right now, and I'm going to add questions. Some of the questions that you have may need to have some special working, but know that like the fill in the blank are still there, and you have the multiple choice. So with that said, you at least have the questions in the question bank. You're able to bring that over. If I was to come over and give this a due date, I think I believe my course for this ended a while ago, so I'm going to go back to October. And I'm going to save and publish this quiz. What does it look like on the student end? I'm going to go to Preview. And here is what the student sees on this end. Now let's take a look at that matching to see if it carried over well at all. And so I see the fill in the blank. So the matching does come in pretty well. So that's great. I did not expect that. That's a win for us. Hopefully this helps. Again, we're going to try to work through this as much as possible. If you need some help walking along with this path, just give us a holler and we'd be happy to help you. So thanks so much for watching and have a great rest of the day.